Hi, I'm Austin Ashbacker. Today I'm going to go over how to attach a picture to a pinpoint in Vermeer Projects. So let's get started. From our home screen, we're going to select our pinpoint and select the menu. And in another video, we went through some of the different functionalities of a pinpoint. Here, I'm going to change this title to fire hydrant because that is what we're marking out on our map. Now I'm going to go to related resources. I'm going to go to add resources. I'm going to go to global. From here, I'm going to select browse, and this is going to take us to our document menu, and I'm going to select desktop because I know I've saved it to my desktop. I'm going to select fire hydrant, and I'm going to select OK. So this is the file name that it's going to upload into projects as, so I'm going to select, I'm going to say that that's fine. I'm going to say fire hydrant's OK. Now I'm going to scroll down and find fire hydrant. I'm going to check it, and I'm going to select OK in the bottom right. And now we have uploaded our picture of our fire hydrant and attached it to this pinpoint so that we know when we go back into our map and we select this pinpoint, we'll be able to go to our resources and see this picture of our fire hydrant. That's all for this video. We'll see you next time.